Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to discuss Stokes theorem and the example based on Stokes theorem. Now I read this example. Evaluate double integral over S del cross f bar dot product with ds bar, where f bar is equal to x cube minus y cube into I plus minus xyz into j plus y cube into k, and where S is the surface of x square plus 4y square plus z square minus 2x is equal to 4, and which is above x is equal to 0 plane. Okay, now we have to evaluate this double integral. Now first of all I state what is Stokes theorem, and then we will see how this Stokes theorem is applicable in evaluating this surface integral. Okay, now Stokes theorem states that the surface integral, now I write in mathematical expression, the surface integral of the normal component, Stokes theorem states that the surface integral of the normal component, so I have to take dot product with n cap. Since I say normal component, so I have to take dot product. So it states that the surface integral of the normal component of a curl of vector point function f bar. You know what is mean by curl? It is del cross f bar. So dot product with n cap into ds. So surface integral of the normal component of a vector point of the curl of a vector point function f bar taken over an open surface S. In Stokes theorem we need open surface, and this open surface is bounded by the closed curve. Okay, so value of this surface integral is equal to line integral. So integral over closed curve C f bar dot dr bar. This is the statement of Stokes theorem. Surface integral is equal to line integral. So now I state Stokes theorem once again. It states that the surface integral of the normal component of a curl of a vector point function f bar taken over an open surface S, which is bounded by the closed curve C. So surface integral is equal to line integral. Now in this example you are asked to evaluate surface integral. Now this is the surface which is given by this some quadratic equation, and above the x is equal to 0 plane. So in this example it is quite difficult to find out the surface integral. So instead of this surface integral we will find this line integral. Okay, so del cross f bar dot ds bar. So n cap into ds, this can be written as ds bar. So this equal to this. So let us focus on this line integral. Integral over closed curve C f bar dot dr bar. So what is f bar? F bar is here. So integral over closed curve C. Now I write here I is equal to. So we have to calculate value of this integral, means we have to calculate value of I. So integral over closed curve C f bar dot dr bar is equal to, what is f bar? It is x cube minus y cube into dx minus xyz into dy plus y cube into dz. Now we have to transform. In order to evaluate this integral, we have to transform this into what? Single variable. So let us look at this curve. What is this closed curve which is bounded by this surface S? Now this is the surface which lies above x is equal to 0 plane. So therefore I find out the intersection of these two. What you will get? So put x is equal to 0 in this equation. So therefore you will get, put x is equal to 0. Okay, because this surface lies above x is equal to 0 plane. So put x is equal to 0, you will get the equation 4y square plus z square is equal to 4. So it is the equation of ellipse in yz. Equation of ellipse. Now since x is equal to 0, so therefore dx has to be 0. This surface lies on x is equal to 0 plane. Now write this in standard form. So y square by 1 plus z square by 4 is equal to 1. So we will use parametric equation of this ellipse to find out this line integral. So what are the parametric equation? X is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to b sin theta. So in this case y and z variables are there. So y is equal to a, that is 1. So y is equal to cos theta and z is equal to 2 sin theta, and where theta changes from 0 to 2 pi. So therefore I becomes integral over 0 to 2 pi. I transform this integral which is in xyz in terms of theta. So dx is 0, so first term is 0. Here x is there, so second term is also 0. So what remains? Y cube into dz. So what is y cube? Y cube is here cos cube theta into dz. What is dz? dz is 2 cos theta d theta. Now solve this simple integral. So it is just 2 times integral 0 to 2 pi cos theta raised to power 4 into d theta is equal to 2 into, now since power of cos theta is even here, so integral 0 to 2 pi, it will becomes 4 times integral 0 to pi by 2 cos theta raised to power 4 into d theta. So is equal to, it will becomes 8 times, I write here, is equal to 8 times integral 0 to pi by 2. So we use that standard result, integral 0 to pi by 2 cos theta raised to power n. So it is n minus 1. So here 3, n minus 3, 1. So 3, 1, stop, divided by n minus 2. So 4, 2. And since it is even, 4 is even, so multiplied by pi by 2. So is equal to, now you cancel 8 this with 8. So is equal to 3 pi by 2. So therefore value of given surface integral over the given surface is what? 3 pi by 2. And this is determined using Stokes theorem. Thank you for watching this video.